In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email notifications for specific email addresses in Gmail. This is a fantastic way to ensure that you never miss an important email from a particular contact or group. Whether it's for business or personal use, having these notifications set up will help you stay organized and responsive. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your Gmail and look for the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon resembles a small gear. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings menu. This area is where you can customize your Gmail experience in many ways, but today we're honing in on notifications. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the tab labeled General. Scroll down until you find the section called Desktop Notifications. Here, you'll want to enable the option for Important Mail Notifications on. This setting ensures that notifications are only triggered by the emails you deem important. Following this, you can choose your preferred mail notification sound by clicking on Mail Notification Sounds. Listen to a preview and select the notification tone that you find most noticeable and pleasant. After customizing your notification sound, it's crucial to save your changes. Head to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This step seals all your adjusted settings, so don't skip it. Now let's focus on configuring these notifications for specific email addresses. Go back to the settings icon and select See All Settings once more. This time, instead of the General tab, go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, you'll find an option that says Create a New Filter. Click on that. In the From field, you have the opportunity to specify the email address of the person or entity for whom you want these notifications. Type in the precise email address of the sender so Gmail knows exactly which emails to prioritize. Once you've entered the email, click on Create Filter. This is where you tell Gmail what actions to take with emails from this address. You'll see several options. Ensure to check Always Mark it as important. This action links back to our earlier step where we turned on notifications specifically for important emails. Finally, click on Create Filter again to finalize the configuration. By doing this, you've instructed Gmail to notify you whenever you receive an email from this particular address and mark it as important. And there you have it. With these settings in place, you'll be well prepared to keep up with your most important communications. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.